Hi everyone. This is a very simple agent. All this shows you is how you can email yourself something from Agent AI. So let's say at some step in the process you want to send yourself an email with some data. Let's say you've done some research and you want to email that to you. How would you set that up? In this case, I'm actually building an agent that will help me get a list of subscribers. So it's a simple agent where it takes an input type of the email address. So you give me your email, you give me a topic of interest, and I will add you to my list of subscribers. And then in the backend, I'm taking that, creating a Excel sheet so that I can then store it in a database and then email it to you. And so the actual send email is really pretty straightforward. You go to send message, it's email. Which email do you want to send it to? You could set this up as a variable. And then the output that I want is basically the email comma topic. And so if you wanted to see the action, you would go to create output, and then you would say send message. And in the send message, it's basically currently email, send to, and what you want to send to that person. And so if you wanted to see this in action, all you do is you go here, enter your email. Let's say it's test@test.com. Go, and then the topic I'm interested in is building agents. And then I click go. And so what this will do is basically it'll get this information and then email it to me. So if I go to my email and I click on inbox, there is the email that just came in, and I've got my variables. So again, very, very simple agent that allows you to send yourself an email.